this is Nuno playing with all the dogs in the garden. There's Nuno, there's Chase. Chase has a little limping leg. And there's Kobe. And this is Hope. This is a recent rescue that was abandoned, and look at how skinny he is, down to the bone. Hope is over 10 years old, and Chase is about a year old. And Kobe here is also close to a year. And this is Nuno, about 3 years old. Nu? Come. Good boy. Oh, good boys. Ooh, they're all male hair. Hey, McGill, we'll let you out later, okay? All these puppies here. Okay. Nuno's very relaxed, very friendly. Hey, Kobe, no, that's poo-poo. Let me pick it up later, okay? They get to use the bathroom out here. This is the setup of our garden where all the ducks get to come out and play. They go in and out. They go inside. And then they get to play. And when after they play, we let them go inside and take a break and nap. Hey guys, it's almost gonna rain. We're not gonna go out. Come on, let's go. Let's go inside, guys.